Hello. Hello.
Why can't I post this video?
Hello.
What did you say? Why aren't you looking at your phone, you psycho? Why is no one liking my posts? Well, I hate all your posts.
Hello. Hello.
Network engineers physically access the BGP routers, and because of COVID, some of the data centers probably don't have an engineer on site who can fix the problem. So, what's next? That's a good question. I'd love to be a fly on the wall at Facebook right now, except I'd probably be stuck in the room until they got Facebook back up. Facebook is down. Well, not only Facebook, but everything Facebook owns, like Instagram, WhatsApp, and Oculus. And it's worse than that. Someone at Facebook accidentally messed up their own internal DNS by messing up something called BGP, and because of that, even their physical door access systems are down, meaning people can't get into buildings or into secure rooms where they can start fixing things. And it's actually worse than that. Because of the nature of the problem, they'll have to have network engineers physically